Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset OPPO A5m. Alright, so let's begin. Actually we have two methods how we can reset this device, and let me show you both of them. So first, and the most common method, is a simple reset using our settings. This method is of course recommended when our device is working properly, when we have access to it, and when everything is fine with it. So open up your settings, now scroll down into the bottom and click on System and Update. And now click on Backup and Reset. Now on the bottom, the last option is Reset Phone. So that's the thing that we are interested in. But besides, we can also in here reset network and Bluetooth settings or reset all settings. To do it, simply choose one of the options and now click on Reset in both cases. But we are interested in the last option, Erase all data. Remember that all of your data will be lost after that process. So for example, if you want to restore your data later, you can always create a backup. If you don't know how to do it, on our channel there's a video where I'm showing you step by step how to do it. So if you want, you can look for it. Now, all we need to do is to tap on Erase all data, and now we need to click on Clear. Then we need to repeat, we need to follow the instruction on the screen, and if we do everything properly, our device will be turned off, then turned on again automatically, and the next thing we need to do is to set up our device. So that's the first method, and now let me show you the second one, just like I have said. And this method is through the recovery mode, and this method is recommended, for example, when the phone is not working properly, when it's lagging, or for example when the phone is secured with a password. But only try to do it with your own phone. Don't try to reset someone else's phone using the recovery mode, because that's unethical and that's also against the law, so have that in mind. Now, first, to get access into the recovery mode, we need to power off our device. So let's tap power button and volume up button at the same time, and let's grab this white ball and put it on power off. Now release your finger from the screen. Now our device is turned off. Let's give it like 5 seconds, let it rest for a moment. And now to get access into the recovery mode, we need to again use two button combination, and we need to hold the power button and volume down button at the same time. So keep holding both of the buttons. And now when the OPPO logo appears, we can release the finger from the power button, but just in case, let's keep holding the volume down. It might take a few seconds, so simply be patient and keep holding volume down. Alright, now we need to choose our language. To move around this menu, we can use the volume keys, or also we can simply tap using our finger. Now we need to select format data. If you want to use the buttons, I told you to use volume up and down buttons to move, but to confirm the selected option, simply click the power button. So we need to select format data. Now confirm. Now we need to enter this code using our keyboard. And now click on Format. Now the process has started. As you can see, we need to wait a few seconds. Alright, data formatted, click on OK. And now this device has been automatically turned off. And now, just like in the previous method, we need to wait until our device will be turned on automatically. And the next thing we need to do is to set up our device. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.